Hi, everybody. Welcome to lesson number 2 for week 7. We are going to be going over non-locomotor movements today. They're just going to be a nice, quick overview. So we're just going to cover them quickly, and then you can practice them on your own. Our non-locomotor movements are movements where you're not moving. You're not moving from one point to another. You're just moving your body and trying to control your body. So that's our non-locomotor movements, and our I can statement for today is I can perform non-locomotor movements safely. So make sure that we are trying to find that safe space to do our non-locomotor movements. So here are some of our non-locomotor movements. We have our airplane pose, which is right over here. We have our airplane pose. We have a bend. This is where we're bending over at our waist right here, and we're bending down and trying touching the floor. That's our bend. We have a pull, so where you're trying to pull something towards you. We have a push. See this guy right here? He's pushing his hands together. He's pushing. This person right here is a rotating, meaning they're spinning. Rotate's just a fancy word for spin. Spinning around and coming back to the starting spot. Then we have a twist. This is where we only twist our upper body. We're just twisting over, back and forth. Then we have a turn. A turn is where we jump and try and spin. Jump and try and spin. That's going to be our turn. Here is our swing. So we're swinging our arms in front. We're swinging our arms in front. Then we have a sway, where we sway back and forth. And then we have a stretch. So this is stretching. Remember to do both arms when we do our stretch. We did this stretch in our first cool down. It's our arm across our body. So remember to do both arms. Alrighty, we're going to do a really quick game now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll 2 die. And if it gets to a number, I will tell you which one to do. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If it's 11 or 12, it's your choice. You get to pick. If it's an 11 or 12, it's your choice. You get to pick which one. So here we go. Let's try it. Ready, set. Here we go. And freeze. What did we get? We got a 9. We got a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have a turn. You have a turn for 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. You're going to jump and turn, kind of like our ninja jumps. For our warm-up. You're going to jump and turn. You have about 15 seconds left. Great job, everybody. Keep it going. About 15 seconds left. Very nice. About 10 seconds left now. Keep going. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. That was our turn. Let's try this again. Here we go. Ooh, we got a 7. We got a 7. So it's this one right here. You have a sway back and forth for 15 seconds. Ready, set, go. Sway back and forth for 15 seconds. We're going to switch it to 15 seconds so we can get some more in here. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Very good. Let's get it going again. Very good. And freeze. Ooh, we got 9 again, so you got to turn. Ready, set, go. 15 seconds of turns. 15 seconds of turns. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Very good. Let's try one more. Let's get one more in. Ready? Here we go. And freeze. Ooh, we got a 6. We got a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got to stretch. Stretch both arms for 15 seconds. This is our last 30 seconds. Stretch one arm for 15 seconds. Very nice. Keep stretching it all the way across your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Switch your arms. So switch arms. 15 more seconds. Very good. Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very nice. Now, this slideshow is going to be in your Seesaw account. If you want to practice this on your own, you can. If you want to practice this on your own, you can. So just make sure that you are practicing all of these for 30 seconds. Then you can play the game if you want to. So, have fun with this and try out some new locomotor movements.